What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're giving you 5 hacks that are gonna help you out in the garage. So the first one has to do with drill bits. And when you're just drilling a hole, it's just a plain hole. But if you take a step bit and you drill that same hole and you start to drill it one size bigger, just a little bit bigger, it'll actually countersink the hole just slightly and just make that hole a little bit nicer. You don't have to buy any special countersink bits or anything. Better result out of stuff you already probably have in your garage. All right, so the next hack is simple but effective. Get yourself some of these magnetic trays. They'll hold all your nuts and bolts all in one spot so you don't kick them around the shop, especially when you're working underneath your vehicle. The worst thing to do is you take a bolt out and you go to reach for it and it's not there and it rolls halfway underneath the Jeep. Have all your nuts and bolts right where you need them, right when you need them. Very helpful. This next one's a favorite of mine. You ever have your ratchet straps, especially when they're all together thrown in a bucket and they just end up getting all twisted and tangled together? I'll show you a quick little easy way to go ahead and wrap these up so the next time you go to grab them out, they're not all tangled. All right, for this, all you're gonna do, separate the two parts. Then first you're gonna go ahead and take this end and just start wrapping it up. All right, so you wanna leave yourself a little tail about that long or so. Once you do this a couple times, you'll figure out how long you need the tail to be. You're gonna set that on top. Go through the back here. Wrap it all the way around. And then go back through one more time. Pull it nice and tight. Give it a couple good ratchets. And there you go. Nice little thing, and you can toss this in your toolbox or wherever, and you don't have to worry about it getting all tangled up. All right, now this hack is pretty simple too. Just reusing old jars. These are some jars from some maraschino cherries, and they work really well for holding some extra nuts and bolts, and I just keep them right up on the shelf, and that way if I need them, I can just pop it open, grab it, put it back. All right, so this next one just involves WD-40 and a screwdriver. What do WD-40 and a screwdriver have to do with any hacks in the garage? Let me show you real quick. I'll show you this one with a bolt that I can actually get to, but this trick is really beneficial for any nut or bolt that you have a hard time reaching to. Spray it on the screwdriver here, and it'll travel right down the screwdriver, right into the bolt that you need to apply lube to, or this works for pouring oil if you don't have a funnel. Just hold the screwdriver to it, slide the lubrication right down onto the bolt. All right, what hacks did I miss? Leave them in the comments below. Those are my 5 hacks that I use in the garage all the time. As always guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin'. I'm out.